I'm gonna be showing you how you can cancel Audible membership. Okay. First, by the way, I will show you how you can do this inside your phone. Now, if you are using a laptop, you can just log in and you want to click on your Audible name here. You want to click on your name here, then click on account details. Now, after that, you will be able to click here on membership details. Now, after you are in this page, you want to click on cancel membership, or you can also switch membership. Click on cancel. They will ask you for some questions. It says here, so if you are sure, just click on pause membership, and depends on your subscription. I'm just using the free trial, so you just need to click here on cancel, and then you will be able to cancel Audible membership. Now, by the way, if you are using iPhone, just go to your iPhone settings and press on your name icon, Apple ID icon, and then press subscriptions and click on Audible, and next you will see cancel membership button. Okay, it's very simple. Just to tell you guys, they don't let you do that inside the app. As of right now, I don't know why. We can only do that inside the website, or use the thing I showed you, which is to go to your app store and then cancel it there. Okay. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and drop a like, and see you.